It is the second big coup for Indian law enforcement authorities in 1 week. Just days after 2611 accused Tahavur Rana was extradited to India, the Belgian police have arrested fugitive diamond merchant Mehul Choksi. Choksi is one of the prime accused in the 13,000 crore rupees PNB fraud scam and is in Antwerp for medical treatment. The arrest in Belgium was made after the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate reactivated extradition requests, despite the removal of an Interpol red notice against Choksi. As the founder and MD of Geetanjali Gems, the former billionaire allegedly engineered a fraud over many years which involved his nephew Nirav Modi, currently in a London prison. The two used fake letters of undertakings and foreign letters of credit at PNB's Brady House branch in the Fort area of Mumbai. This was done in collusion with rogue employees of the branch. The financial documents were used to raise credit from overseas banks. Along with Nirav Modi, guarantees worth 11,400 crore rupees were raised to get loans. The funding, instead of being used for importing goods like pearls as claimed, were allegedly diverted and laundered. According to reports, the SWIFT network used across the world for online transfers was gamed by officials to keep the bank in the dark. However, the 65-year-old businessman has remained a step ahead of the law. He purchased citizenship of Antigua and Barbuda in 2017, a year before the scam came to light. The West Indian Islands do not have an extradition treaty with India. He fled the country on the 2nd of January 2018, just days before the scam broke. In 2021, Choksi was arrested in Dominica, allegedly while attempting to flee to Cuba by boat. Authorities deported him back to Antigua, though rejecting India's extradition demands. In March 2023, India suffered yet another blow with the Interpol revoking the notice issued against Choksi. In 2024, Choksi moved to the diamond capital of the world, Antwerp in Belgium. This was for the treatment of his blood cancer. He later secured permanent residency of Belgium. That did not stop Indian authorities from seeking his extradition again in an appeal which was heeded by the Belgian authorities and led to detaining him. Meanwhile, reports say that Choksi's bail application hearing will take place at least after 1 week, which gives India crucial headroom to prepare not only a legal case but a diplomatic one as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.